Good morning and good Sunday to you. Lead Bullets for Life here in the garage with our garage stat slash working on our projects here at the reloading bench. So it's going to be a kind of a treat today. Well, anyways, guys, so yesterday I made the video on the paper wads, and this is going to be my first experiment with the paper wads. I want to thank all you guys for your comments, suggestions, and input on these little wads themselves. Some of you have some experience with them, others have not, so I'm here to go ahead and load these up with 4 different powders, and I'll show you the powders right now. Alright, they're going to be Unique, Power Pistol, Red Dot, and HP38. So I'll be using regular brass cases, and of course I'll be using nickel cases as well. But for now, I'm going to use the brass cases for the experiment itself. So I'll be making 10 rounds of each, even though I got 50 brass cases here. But so 10 for the Unique, 10 for the Power Pistol, 10 for Red Dot, and 10 for the HP38. Now the reason why we're doing 10 is because, as you can hear, I'm very, very low on Red Dot. I think I have enough to make about 10 of them. So we'll go ahead and do that experiment. So well, let's get started with the loading. First load of 10 will be 5.1 grains of Unique, and it's balanced out, and it looks like we're pretty much dead on right there. Alright. We're also going to be using small rifle magnum primers, and we'll be using this little metal dowel here to push the wads in. Alright, much better. So 5.1, that'll work. Excuse the background noise, guys. I got the garage door open. Again, I live near a highway and an airport. Alright. Prime. Expand. Powder. Okay, and then wad. Round the wad down until it stops. Right there. I don't know if you can see inside there or not. Powder's not falling out. It's not compressed, guys. It's just sitting there on top of the powder charge. Also, we're using our 158 grain Lee flap nose bullets. Okay. And crimp. And here we go, guys. Beautiful. No shaking. Alright, guys. These wads fit perfectly. So I'm going to push it in like so. Just like that. Enough tension inside. It's not crumpled inside. So that 9mm cutting case actually did a pretty good job. Really good job. Alright. Place our flat nose bullet in. Alright, and crimp. Beautiful, just beautiful. I'm really excited about what they're gonna do. I'll be doing these next week. So let's see. We got 2, 3. All right, and let's see. Okay, prime it. Expand it. 5.1 grains of Unique. Take our wad, place our wad inside just like so. Push down. Straight down. No packing. Just until it stops. Place our bullet inside. And let's go ahead and load up. Okay, charge it. Once again, guys, the 6 grains of power pistol is very shallow down there. Doesn't even, maybe not even 2/10 of the case is filled up on it. All right, so back with the wad. Place the wad like so. Looks like that, guys. And this end here will be my push dowel. You go straight down. Okay, until it doesn't move. You don't have to pound it, guys. Just push it down until it stops and kind of like make sure it's seated properly. All right, so if you look again, guys, it's pretty deep in there. Pretty deep. And the 158 grain doesn't fill out the case as much. So we're like here are the crimp, and we're about right here with the powder charge. So it's quite a bit of airspace in there. Very good. All right, so we got 4 grains of red dot, and we're gonna go ahead and place inside the casing. All right, so we got 4 grains of HP38. And what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to compare HP38 4 grains with 4 grains of Alliant red dot to see if the velocities and groups match. Also, deviation and spread. Okay, place our wad inside. Get some sunlight in there. There you go. Well, guys, I made our 40 samples. So we have our unique here. We have our power pistol here, second, and red dot, and our HP38. So the red dot and the HP38 have the same grainage of 4 grains. And I want to compare these for ballistics. The difference between 4 grains of each powder. These are fast burning powders. And so we'll see. Now the Alliant power pistol is slower burning, so let's see if that patching will increase its velocity and or standard deviation and spread. Sometimes this kind of helps out slower burning powders, you know, to get more efficiency out of them. Alright, so thanks again to my little Lee Value 4-hole turret press. It did the job again. I love using it. I really do. I mean, all these years I had these Lee Progressive 1000s, and all I needed was 1 press and several turrets. And that was it. So, guys, possibly I have solved the old age-old question of a 0-cent solution to $1 million problem. Okay, increasing your accuracy and efficiency out of your cartridges. All right, guys. Thanks again. This is Lead Bullets for Life. And if you want to see more, please rate, subscribe, make those comments, and we'll see you at the range next week and at the loading bench as well. All right, you guys take care. Have a good Sunday. Bye for now. We'll see you next time.